Okay, so this is Lab 40, just an offshoot of Lab 39. This is a non-inverting amplifier, and I'll bring over the picture here. And you'll see a little difference in the output here. I'm gonna let you kind of discover that on your own. But let me bring the drawing over. And again, the positive 12 and the negative 12 will is inherent to the op amp being there, so you don't have to worry about wiring that. But notice the source is going to the plus side here, and the other side of the source is going to ground, and you've got the 10K resistor that goes to the negative tied to ground, and then the output feeding back to the negative. And you'll see a little difference in output here. I'll give you a little hint here. 1000 millivolts in is what I'm getting here. Excuse me, here. 1000 millivolts in, which is 1 volt basically. And notice the output is 2 volts with a 10K here. And that's going to vary based on what that resistor is. But again, this is another that you can make in Fallstad yourself and finish out your experiment in there. So there we go.